Welcome to the Revel Systems iPad point of sale. This is going to be a quick overview of the front end and back end of this point of sale. This is your Revel Systems login screen. Each employee gets a 4-digit PIN, which allows you to know who's on the system doing what, controlling their payroll for clocking in and clocking out, as well as customizing the visibility of what that employee can do or see on the system. Let's make an order. I need a coffee. Now I'd like to get a drip coffee. Now I have modifiers. What size would I like it in? It changes the price. I'd like a large, and now would I like any add-on extra shots? Personally, I like it just straight, so we'll move it right through. I'm also a little bit hungry, so I can use this top menu to get right back to the front and go into pastries. I want a croissant. We've got croissants in 3 different flavors. I'm a chocolate guy. We're gonna get that, and I'm gonna pay for this order. But first, I need to know who this order's for. As an employee, it's important to have a call-out name. So I'm gonna say Alex, okay, and now this order's ready to go. I can quickly hit a cash button such as a $20 bill. I can pay with a credit card, a gift card, or I can even set up a house account. We're gonna take a quick 20, pay with cash, and now it gives me the option of how I wanna send a receipt. Do I wanna print it? Do I wanna email it? Or would they like to save the paper? I'm gonna save the paper. Change due, close out my cash drawer, and move on to the next screen. Say you have a customer that wants to put their order on hold. You can simply start that order and then press the hold button, and it will be stored in your held orders area endlessly. Now I can simply complete that order at another time when they're ready for me to finish it up. Another great feature is the CRM tool, where I can capture information about my customers and store it for future use. Our search bar will help you quickly locate anything you're looking for and add it right into the order. Now let's move on to the back end where all the magic happens. Welcome to the Revel Systems backend dashboard. This is a website unique to your business that helps you see real-time reporting and control all aspects of how you want to run your business. This page right here is an overview of how your day's going. You can see how yesterday went, or you can create a custom range to know any aspect of your business. This is the employees page where you manage your staff. You can set up initial training videos for employees who are new to help them learn the system. You can assign multiple roles with multiple pay scales and set the permission levels for each role. You can export your staff as well as add an employee. Scheduling and payroll is time consuming, and Revel wants to help make that easier. Schedule your employees, copy shifts, and email out their times and receive confirmation that your employees can or cannot work those shifts. Compare that with time worked, calculate your labor cost percentage, and Revel will figure out the payroll. You can even control the timesheet rules. This is your sales summary page that's going to tell you every little detail in an overview of how your business is doing. It can be controlled by point of sale station, employee, or any date range you need. All files that you generate can be exported in a variety of file types. Hourly sales helps you know what time of day your business is busiest. It can be controlled in 15-minute increments, by dining option, by employee, or any date range of your pleasure. Product mix reporting helps you run your business smarter. With built-in recipes to track cost of goods and the ability to see what are the top 10 items that you sell the most of and what are the top 10 items you make a profit on, Revel will help you fine-tune your business to be as profitable as possible. With Revel's hybrid cloud architecture, you're going to have history on every order you've ever completed. So it's easy to go back to today, yesterday, or the beginning of when you started with Revel. Payment summary is a very easy way to see what forms of payment your customers like to use. And other reports allows you the ability to see deep into any aspect of your business that you're interested in, as well as Revel's always coming out with new ones to help you out. The products page is where you build new items and features for the front end of your point of sale. Adding an item is easy. You can even put it into a product group, select what modifiers are needed to make that product sell the best, select which category or subcategory it falls under, and build recipes so that you can accurately track the costs of each item in your system. Additionally, you can export any of these file types as an Excel file so that you can work faster. Revel POS comes with an extremely powerful inventory management platform. We use your sales data to calculate your usage and help you understand the waste levels of any product and ingredient in your inventory. You can even set low stock threshold alerts so you'll get an email notification when any item gets low. With ingredient inventory, when you build a recipe for any product, when that product sells, the amount used in that recipe will be deducted from your ingredient level inventory. The first step of creating a purchase order is by declaring the vendors you work with and attaching the items that you get from that vendor. Revel will notify you which items you get that are on low stock threshold alert, helping you know what to reorder. Generate a PO and declare the amounts that you need. Once a purchase order is created, it waits here for your approval that you've received everything that you've ordered. The system will automatically put those items into your inventory because the system now knows what you ordered and that it's been received. And this is where you put in your shipping address to make creating purchase orders even easier. This is the Revel CRM tool, Customer Relationship Management. This is where you get to keep track of your customers, their pertinent information, and their buying habits. You're also able to put customers into groups so that you know who is from where. You can even export all of the data that you've collected and use it in any third-party marketing platform you please. Here at Revel, our goal is to help you run your business exactly the way you want your business to be run. We've created the settings that make that possible, and we even give you a note next to each setting so you know exactly what it's going to do on your system so you can get it just the way you want it. When you do make changes to the system, you can do it from anywhere, and you can push changes with a click of the button, and the next time somebody logs in, it'll ask them to refresh the system so it'll pull in all the new settings that you've brought in. Last is the support tab. We make it easy for you to get in touch with our engineering team, our support team, watch knowledge-based videos so you can teach yourself how to do something new, or send messages out to your staff. Thank you for viewing the Revel web demo. If you have any other questions, please check out revelup.com to find your answer.